Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acemagic F3A AI370 mini PC. So friend, Acemagic has announced F3A AI370 mini PC is powered by AMD latest Ryzen AI 9 HS370 processor, and this high performance mini PC combine outstanding computational power with cutting-edge cooling technology designed to meet the need of professional content creator and high-end user. So friend, its future advanced 12-core and 24 threads processor built in AMD Generation 5 and Generation 5 architecture with base clock speed of 2 GHz and turbo speed up to 5.1 GHz, and it delivered exceptional multi-thread performance and processing power. Additionally, the F3A is equipped with third generation Ryzen AI NPU based on XDNA2 architecture and offering up to 50 TOPS of AI computing performance with seamless collaboration between the GPU and CPU. So friend, the F3A achieves is impressive total performance of up to 80 TOPS. So friend, the connectivity features including HDMI 2.1, USB 4 Type-C port, DB 2.0 to support multi-monitor setup easily, an AMD Radeon 890M GPU based on RDNA 3.5 architecture supporting ultra-high definition display up to 8K resolution, and in terms of memory, supporting up to 96 GB of DDR5 memory running at 5600 MHz and dual channel configuration, ensuring rapid and stable data processing for demanding application, and the storage option including up to 4 TB M.2 NVMe SSD expansion paired with dual 2.5 gigabit high-speed Ethernet port for seamless data transfer and stable network connectivity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.